Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can manage text messages on your Android phone. Alright guys, first of all, go to your messages application on your Android phone, and this is my messages application, so I'm clicking on it. Then if you want to manage your text messages, you have to add category to your messages, so you can click on this three dots button. Then you can select edit categories. Then we can add categories that we want. For example, we can add archived categories, but before it we have to turn on the conversation categories right here. Click on this toggle button, then you can add the category. Okay, and for example, I'm going to add archive tags. So I'm typing archived, and after that we just need to click on this done option after we are done typing the categories. Okay, and we can select the conversation that I want to add to the category, and you can select more than one conversation and just tap and hold on the first conversation. Then you can tap on the second conversation and the third conversation like this, and after you are done you just need to click on done option. Okay, and let's just see the categories. We can go back to our conversation. Okay, and this is the archived categories, guys. If you want to edit the categories, you just need to click on this three dots button. Then you can click on edit categories, and then you can click on the categories that you want to edit like this, and you can remove the conversation, or you can also add conversation. Okay guys, and that's how we can manage text messages on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.